Hello! In front of me I have Haylou RS3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And once you open the watch face menu, you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right. And once you find the watch face you would like to use, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. Okay, you can also change the watch face through the settings. So we can wake up the screen, swipe up on the home screen to open the menu, then scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it. And here we can tap on watch face. Again, scroll through the list of watch faces, find the watch face we want to use and tap on it to select. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.